I realized I had not made a Simpsons BrickHead in a while, so this time I'm going with Ned Flanders. That's right, Homer's next door neighbor. Right, Riddly-doo, that's me. I don't know why I did that. Please forgive me. Anyway, because of the simple animation style of The Simpsons, the clothing was pretty easy. We just used a 1x2 black plate for his shoes, then the other two 1x2 plates, the 2x4 plate, and the 4x4 plate are all a dark bluish gray for his pants. And then for his sweater, we just got these 1x4 bricks and just put 2 bricks on the front, 2 bricks on the back. And for his sleeves, you got the 2x2 plate in green, the 1x2 tile in green, and then as a Simpsons character, his skin is yellow, so we have those 1x2 plates with clips for his hands. Now underneath his green sweater, he wears that pink colored undershirt, and to create that, I just got 2 of these dark pink 2x4 plate pieces and put them right there all around the neck. And I think that's a nice little color contrast. It makes them look really nice. Now, it was the face and hair where we got to be kind of creative, more creative than just the typical BrickHead build. And now I went back and forth with the glasses because Ned Flanders wears very thin wireframe glasses, but they're not like thick BrickHead glasses, and so they're not as noticeable, but he's constantly playing with them, taking them off, cleaning them, moving them, so they are a character trait. So in the end, I decided to give him glasses. Now, the thing that there was no debate over was his mustache. You had to get him that big old mustache. I got those 1x2 tiles and these quarter tile pieces to make the curve at the end. But because of this mustache, which was a must, I had to give him a 1x1 plate on top of a 1x2 jumper plate so I could make it centered. Otherwise, these glasses wouldn't fit because the mustache blocked them. So I had to do that and then just do 1x1 plates on the side of his head to put the eyes on, the BrickHead eyes. But the rest of the face, just your typical BrickHead build. And as I move over, you're gonna see his ears. And now on the side, Ned Flanders has very long sideburns. But when I did that with BrickHeadz, when I did a 1x2 tile all the way down to the collar, they looked like mutton chops and they just weren't quite right. So for the BrickHead, I didn't have them go all the way down. So I put the 1x1 tile here and then a 1x1 reddish brown tile there for the sideburns right by the ear. And then I also played with the sides of his hair, get a little more style, but I go back to the simple animation of The Simpsons, and because of just the way The Simpsons is drawn, I really like just the flat tiles along the side, the back, the best. I thought it worked. I tried texturing and slopes and curves, and it just didn't look right for the Simpsons animation, so I think this flat works. But I did get to have some fun with the top of his hair. The top of the hair was like fantastic. So when you look at Ned Flanders' hair, it like goes up all the way up in his comb back. So to do that, what I did was, I did the typical 2x4 plate, I'm sorry, the 4x4 plate across the top, and then rather than just one, I put two 2x4 plates near the front of that brick, or that plate, and then I got these 1x4 curved plates and 2 1x1 plates. I put those 2 1x1 plates on the end, and that way I could put it up and over that 2x4 plate and then down to the actual BrickHead. And I think it worked out great to give him that big old comb up that he has. And unintentional, but worked out great, is when you look at the cartoon, there's like 4 lines used, or 4 strands of kind of blocks of hair going back, and a BrickHead has 4 studs. So the actual number of curves in his hair matched the cartoon, so that's like a nice little coincidence, which I loved. And now I didn't want to just drop off the back, so what I did was, since the front half has those plates, I did have to put a 1x4 plate here, so we've got 2 plates, or studs, 1 stud, and the back stud, I got the 2x2 curve slope and just had it go down and over the side. That way it doesn't drop off. It's like more of a natural curve, as if he's combing his hair backwards. But this is my Ned Flanders BrickHead. I hope you like it. I enjoy building it. And until next time, let's keep building together. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.